Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with an October reset. I cannot believe it's already October. Almost October as I'm filming this. October, in my opinion, is the best month of the year. Although I really love November and December as well. I need to do a reset. It's been a while since I've really taken the time to get my life together, get organized. I don't want to go into like the best month of the year not feeling organized. Also, my apartment is really messy right now. I thought it would be fun to do a little reset, cleaning, making a new little wallpaper, setting some new goals, just kind of getting organized for the month ahead. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I think when I post this, it'll be the very 1st of October. Happy October. Hopefully this is motivating and satisfying if you're needing to do this as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do, and comment below some things you wanna do in the month of October. Let's just get into the reset. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean my entire apartment. It's pretty messy. I feel like it's easier for me to focus on getting organized mentally and setting goals when I'm in a clean space. I always like to clean first. So we're gonna clean my apartment first. The first cleaning related thing we're gonna do is throw my sheets in the wash. They can be washing while we're doing everything else. I also wanna make a coffee. Let's just get started. Is pretty much cleaned up. The next thing I'm gonna do is clean my Breville machine. I got it in July. You're supposed to descale it about every 2 months. It's just now been about 2 months. I really need to descale it and clean it. There's like little cleaning tablets that remove the oil, and then descaling removes the mineral buildups. I need to do both of those things. I really wanna like clean all the parts, clean the water tank, clean the little tray. We're gonna do a good deep clean of my Breville. Let's do that. Later, I ran the clean cycle and descaling cycle. I don't need to change the water filter yet. You only need to change it every 90 days. You need to clean the little portafilter basket. If you can see, it's not looking very clean. The actual portafilter, like under the basket, I'm gonna clean that and then clean the drip tray. kitchen is clean, my room is clean, my bed is made, sheets are washed, my Breville's cleaned, which I've been wanting to do. So I got pretty much everything on my list done. It is a couple days later. I'm about to go get some fall nails. I'm so excited. I literally haven't got my nails done in like a month and a half, maybe even 2 months. I'm really excited to go get them done, get some fall nails. I think I'm gonna do the cherry mocha nails that are trending right now, like these burgundy, kind of like dark burgundy-ish nails. I might even do chrome on top. I've had acrylics for 10 years, so I've just kind of been giving them a break for the last month or so. I was actually partnering with Static Nails on some Instagram reels. Just been doing like the press-on nails, kind of like if I'm going somewhere, and then just giving them a break when I'm just like editing. I feel like they're definitely a lot healthier. They were so paper thin. Now I'm gonna get the acrylics back on. I definitely missed just like going to get my nails done, like the experience. Like I love just chatting with my nail tech. Press-on nails from Static Nails though are really good if you're looking for a good way to get them done at home, save some time, save some money. They have some really gorgeous fall nails. Also, I ripped off part of my pinky nail, so I was waiting for that to grow out. Let's go get some fall nails. I'm so excited. This is definitely needed. Just got my nails done. How cute. I'm literally obsessed. These are literally the perfect fall nails. I don't remember what the color is, but it's from OPI. I'm just so obsessed with them. Oh my gosh, I can't stop looking at them. Length, the shape, everything about them. It's a little bit later, I'm back home. The next thing I wanna do to kind of reset for October, I wanna make some monthly goals, just like a few things to focus on for the month of October. I think making monthly goals is super, super helpful. Of course, I have like yearly goals that I wanna focus on. I like to kind of look at those yearly goals and see what I can do each month to kind of work towards those yearly goals, different things that I can kind of focus on each month to help me get closer to the yearly goals. Actually, I already made my goals. I'm just gonna share with you my goals for the month of October. I find keeping it around 3 to 5 goals makes it easier to focus on if you have less. I'll just share my goals for the month of October. I'd love to know what your guys' goals are, or even just some things that you wanna do during October. First up is do something on my fall bucket list. I shared my fall bucket list in this vlog, so I'll link it here if you guys wanna check it out. It's honestly pretty basic. It's just like go to a pumpkin patch, try a new fall drink, go apple picking. I feel like if you're not intentional and you don't really like plan to do it, then it just won't really happen. I want to be intentional about enjoying the fall season and doing fall activities and really just like romanticizing and making the most of the fall season. I feel like October is kind of like the peak of the fall season. I really, really want to make sure to enjoy the fall. So that is kind of like a goal for October. Next is declutter my closet. I'm actually gonna be posting a closet clean out soon. I really wanna like declutter my closet, get rid of anything that I'm not wearing, kind of like as the fall season is going. If I go to wear something and I just don't like it, or I find that I'm just like skipping over my closet, not wearing it, getting rid of stuff that I find myself not wearing because somebody else could be enjoying it and there's no reason for it to take up the space. I could sell it and get a little extra cash for it. Just kind of being mindful of what I'm wearing and what I'm not wearing. Just kind of like decluttering. I've been really trying not to buy anything that I don't need. I really have hardly bought anything for the fall season because I have a lot of sweaters, I have a lot of jeans. I don't really like need anything. I can get caught up in like over consuming things, so I've been trying to not buy things that I don't need. And also just experimenting with my style, mixing and matching pieces that I already have, creating new outfits with pieces that I already have. Save money. This kind of goes along with that a little bit, but like save money, not spending money on clothes, makeup, anything like that during the month of October. Basically anything that I want, just buy it the month of September. No, I'm just kidding. I also put not including the Sephora sale because the Sephora sale will probably happen before October ends, and that is a great time to stock up on like all of my everyday products, so it doesn't include the Sephora sale. I am literally almost out of all my everyday products and I've been waiting for the Sephora sale to like restock. Just like not buying anything. Christmas is coming up. I feel like the end of the year is so expensive. I'm really gonna try to not spend money on things that I don't need, especially like clothes, makeup, stuff like that, and really just save my money. I kind of did splurge on a couple things in September, so I'm just gonna try to not buy anything in October. We'll see how it goes. Eat healthier meals, being kind of mindful of the ingredients, also kind of like eating at the same time every day. I'm really bad about like eating breakfast really late and then eating a really late lunch. Sometimes I'll just skip breakfast, and then also eating healthier ingredients with like more fruits, more vegetables. Lastly is to focus on posting short form content, so like TikTok and Instagram. I kind of forget sometimes about linking stuff on like LTK and Amazon and even like TikTok shop. I kind of forget about that, and that is a really good revenue source. And this is like a goal every single month, and every single month I tell myself I'm going to be better about it, and I actually really have been better the last few months. Hoping to be even more consistent this month, just post better and more consistent short form content. So those are my goals for October. I hope that inspired you if you're trying to make some goals as well. I highly recommend. I find the months that I make goals, I'm a lot more focused, and I'm actually like focusing on those things. Like I know what I'm working towards this month, and I wrote it down. It doesn't take very long to just write down a few things that you want to work on. The next thing I want to do is just make an updated wallpaper. I currently have a little collage that I made back right before August started, and it was so cute for August and September. It's kind of like early fall, end of summer vibes. I'm just gonna make an updated wallpaper that's a little bit more fall and less early fall. What I like to do is go on Pinterest, and I'll just save like some aesthetic type pictures. Really just what I want my October to feel like, look like, just like the mood, the vibe. Sometimes I like to add some pictures that kind of represent my goals as well. Then I just kind of set that as my wallpaper. Let's just do that. The wallpaper turned out super cute. It's very fall, which is exactly what I was wanting. Here's what it looks like. Super, super cute. I definitely recommend making a little wallpaper like this. It's super easy to do. I just use PicMonkey. That's what I usually use for my thumbnails. You could do Canva. There's a lot of different apps and websites where you can kind of like collage pictures together. So this is gonna be my screensaver for the next month or so. That is actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully this motivated you. If you're in need of a reset and just kind of getting your life together for the month of October, I definitely feel so much more organized after filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely thumbs up if you did, and comment below some things you like to do to reset for a new month, or just some things you want to do in the month of October. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.